Potash mining has been major to Saskatchewan's economy for the last century. Constant improvements are needed to keep the mines running at peak efficiency while keeping worker safety at the forefront. This may involve replacing some of the aging equipment. This group has been tasked with devising a solution. They are Matt Berquist, Jordan Silzer, Andrew Stotkowy, and Jayan Versani.
So for our design project, we were asked to come up with a more efficient means of replacing old pipes within a mine shaft. So after listening to a few different approaches that we had developed, we decided on a system for improving the inadequate storage system they had at the Klonze potash mine.
The design we chose, among other alternatives, consists of a two-piece clamp and plate assembly. This way, pipes can easily be set up or removed. A forklift can place it on the plate, and the clamp and pin will secure it in place.
Throughout the design process, we have learned some valuable things.
So I'd say one of the most important things that I personally learned from this project was how to properly tolerance parts so that moving parts actually can function as they should.
The next lesson learned in this project on how to use SolidWorks to get to our prototype.
We learned how to utilize everybody's unique skills and put them together to make a great project.
One thing that was interesting for sure was selecting our materials. Of course, we had a constraint of only being allowed $15 to buy some specialist parts.
This price limit was one of several challenges faced throughout this project.
Time management.
Time management, that's for sure.
I have assignments and labs in classes such as fluids, kinematics, statistics, and calculus, which are all very difficult material.
I believe we handled all of this very well. I mean, everybody showed up to all the meetings. We agreed on which parts everyone would complete on their own. Generally, we were successful in managing our time.
This also gave us a chance to put communication skills to the test. Of course, there are so many options available to choose from, but the tools are only as good as the ones using them.
So for this project, my favorite part was making the prototype. I liked learning how to 3D print, putting things together, figuring out what worked, what didn't.
I hate to say it, but my favorite part was probably the memos. They kept us on task, kept us up to date, so not the entire thing was done the night before.
My favorite part of the project was talking with the advisors. If anything was going wrong in the project, they helped us go through it.
My favorite part of the project, for sure, was seeing everything come together and the sense of accomplishment that we got when everything was completed.
One thing we can take away from this is how engineering drives the world forward, solving problems of any shape and caliber.